Okay guys, today we're looking around our BMW 540i, finished in Mediterranean blue with white ivory Dakota leather. So it is an XDRIVE, so it's capable in all weather conditions, sitting on these beautiful 20-inch alloy wheels, totally unmarked. We've got the little BMW individual badge down there as well, and it's on Goodyear run flat tyres. So we purchased this locally. And it's a great example, extremely high spec on this one. I do think the contrast of the colour combination with the interior is very well done. While we're around the back. So I've got the spec list ready here. Obviously you can see that on the website as well. So just over £12,000 apparently. Extremely good spec on that. And then the full health report as well. So it was previously sold, approved used, about 4 months ago by BMW Ivory. But the previous customer, coming out of an M4, just didn't gel with the vehicle. And we have now supplied him with an M4 and taken this off his hands. Let's take a quick look inside now as well. So throughout the whole car, there is winter mats on top of the original carpet mats. An absolutely stunning interior, much better than the previous oyster colour they used to use on the lighter coloured leather on the BMWs. And a stunning wood finish all the way around. So you can see the memory seats there as well. Beautiful stitching across the seats and extra comfy headrests. It's a real business class car. Let's take a quick look inside now. So you can see the head-up display there as well. Take a quick look through, go into my vehicle. There's the vehicle status. And we've got service requirements and service history. So obviously full BMW history all the way back. So you can see all those there. Most recent was a brake fluid, and prior to that was a full service including spark plugs. So on the B58 engine, it's usually every 2 years or 18,000 miles. It's just over 21,000 on this, I believe. So lots of great features. So any questions or queries, if you need a part exchange valuation, please do get in touch. It's be available on our website. Thank you.